What if I told you there's a legendary beast under the hood of some of America's toughest semi-trucks, a powerhouse so reliable, it's been the backbone of countless hauls across the country for decades? Meet the Cummins N14 Plus, a name that commands respect in the trucking world, yet remains a mystery to many. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why this engine isn't just another big block in the engine bay, but a game changer for drivers who live and breathe the open road. But beware, by the time we're done, you might be itching to upgrade your rig, or at least seriously reconsider what you thought you knew about diesel power. Stick around because the story of the N14 Plus is anything but ordinary. The deep dive. Let's start with the basics. What makes the Cummins N14 Plus a legend? Launched in the early 1990s, the N14 Plus wasn't just built to move trucks. It was engineered to dominate highways, mountain passes, and endless stretches of asphalt with brutal efficiency and raw power. Here's where it gets interesting. This 14-liter inline six-cylinder diesel engine produces up to 475 horsepower and a staggering 1,650 pound-feet of torque. Now, for those who aren't diesel junkies, that means serious muscle under the hood, the kind that hauls heavy freight without breaking a sweat. Imagine your grandma trying to haul a freight load this heavy. Let's just say the N14 Plus doesn't just haul, it practically laughs at the challenge. But why exactly did Cummins build this monster? Well, back then, drivers were screaming for reliability and raw pulling power, and the N14 Plus delivered both in spades. And here's a critical fact. It's not just about brute strength. The N14 Plus features a modular design, which means it's easier to maintain, repair, and even customize. This was a game changer in the 90s when uptime was everything, because every minute a truck sits idle, it's money down the drain. Now, you might be wondering, how does it stack up against newer engines? Hold that thought, because that answer will surprise you. But first, let's look at what really set the N14 Plus apart in the trucking community: its durability and legendary fuel efficiency for its time. Drivers report running these beasts for over 1,000,000 miles. Yes, you heard that right. 1,000,000 miles without a major overhaul. In trucking terms, that's like a marathon runner finishing an ultra-marathon every single day for years. So, what's the secret sauce? Spoiler alert, it's not magic, but the combination of smart engineering and relentless testing. The N14 Plus uses a high-pressure fuel injection system that ensures cleaner, more efficient combustion, giving truckers more miles per gallon, and more importantly, more dollars in their pockets. The climax and resolution. Here's where things get really exciting. The Cummins N14 Plus is more than just an engine. It's a symbol of an era when trucks were built tough to last a lifetime. But what does that mean for you today? If you're considering an upgrade, or you're in the market for a semi that's proven on the road, the N14 Plus remains a top contender, even in a world of constantly evolving technology. But, and here's the cliffhanger, you might be asking, with all the talk about electric and hybrid trucks, is there still a place for the N14 Plus in 2025 and beyond? The answer isn't just yes, it's a resounding yes, and here's why. The ruggedness, the ease of maintenance, and the raw torque of the N14 Plus make it an unbeatable workhorse for certain applications where reliability and simplicity trump fancy tech. And here's the kicker. Many fleets and owner-operators swear by the N14 Plus because they know that when the road gets tough, this engine gets tougher. But if you think this is just nostalgia talking, wait until you hear about the recent upgrades and parts availability that keep these engines running strong. Parts and expertise for the N14 Plus are becoming increasingly rare. If you own or operate one, now's the time to stock up, learn, and invest, because this beast isn't going away quietly. And if you're still on the fence, just remember, when the chips are down and the freight won't wait, you want an engine with a proven track record of unstoppable power. So what's your take? Is the Cummins N14 Plus the unsung hero of American trucking, or just a relic of the past? Drop your thoughts below. And if you're serious about powering your rig with history and muscle, make sure you don't miss out on the rest of our deep dive series. Thanks for watching, and remember, in trucking, it's not just about getting there, it's about dominating the road.